Hello learners, in this video we are going to learn how to plot a beautiful chart using one variable. So this is a data set of an airport where different types of queries are there, and to solve that query the time taken is there. So we will try to plot different types of chart as per our requirement. So I would like to first tell you that how to know which chart is to be plotted. So always remember, data type plays vital role. Majorly, there are two types of data. The first is categorical data and second is numerical data. So in this whole data set, the categorical data is type of query. So always remember, like in our class, students male female, so we are bifurcating them. So any data which is bifurcating into different categories is known as a categorical data. And always remember, if your variable is categorical data, only two types of plots can be plotted, that is bar chart and pie chart. And if your data is numerical, then go with histogram or box plot. So let's first load this data and make a beautiful charts. So I'm opening my SPSS tab. I'm just opening my data. So I'm clicking on open. I'm clicking on Excel. I'm selecting my file, that is graph. Yes, my sheet 1 is having the same thing. So I'm just clicking OK. You can see here the data is loaded in my SPSS. So basically, I will see the variable view and I will see my data view. This type is more important. So because I need to prepare a graph, so I will go to, you can go using legacy dialog also, and you can also click on chart builder. Chart builder is most preferable way. Here all the charts would be there. You just need to drag the bar chart here. You just drag the category, that is type, into x-axis. You just need to click OK. A beautiful bar chart is prepared. You can see here a beautiful bar chart is prepared where the frequencies are seen. So you can see here OX is having maximum count, whereas N2 and PX and CS has minimum count. So this way we can have a bar chart of frequency. Now if I want the same chart in proportion, so I will prepare a pie chart. So I will again go to graph, again go to chart builder. I will click on pie. I will click here. I will drag and drop it. Everything remains same, and just with the click of OK, you can see the second chart is pie. You can see here OX has maximum area, whereas as we have seen that PX and all other have minimum area. Now the question is very simple, when to use bar chart and when to use pie chart. So always say, when you want frequency count, you go with a bar chart. But when you want a proportion, when you want to show the share, at that time you need to go with a pie chart. So these two charts are mostly used in categorical data. Now let's talk about a numerical data. So always remember, in numerical data, histogram plays vital role. So let's plot histogram. So go to chart builder, go to graph, go to histogram. click histogram here, remove this type and add total time. Just click OK. See, can you see the histogram of total time? So it shows the normality. Basically, histogram shows the continuity and normality of the data. This data is actually not normal. It is a skewed data. But it is used for getting a normality. More important, I want to know the outliers. So again, I will go to graph, go to chart builder, and I will click on box plot. I will click here a box plot and drag and drop the box plot. Yes, your box plot is here. Okay, here I want to clarify 2 3 points. The first important point is box plot is known as box and whiskers plot. Always remember these are the whiskers and this shows a middle 50% of the data. In other words, it shows interquartile range Q3 minus Q1. And more important, these variables are my outliers. The star values are outliers. In other words, you can say the star or the outliers are the data points which are very much far from the mean values. And this is the median value Q2. So this way we can analyze or visualize different types of charts. So we have covered one variable charts where we have plotted in categorical variable. We have plotted a bar chart and a pie chart where bar chart shows a frequency counts and pie chart shows the proportion. Then we have in numerical data, we have seen a histogram and we have also seen a box plot. Thank you.